What is up, guys? My name is Javier. I'm a CRM expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect GoHighLevel to any website or app that you're building with AI, whether using Replit, Lovable, Manus, Claude, or ChatGPT. Doesn't matter. By the end of the video, you're going to know how to connect GoHighLevel to any of these softwares. Let's go ahead and dive into this. First, start with GoHighLevel. We're going to prepare everything on GoHighLevel site first, then go into Replit. Again, you could either use Lovable, Bolt, whatever you're using. It's going to be the exact same concept. We want to go ahead and go to sites on that left hand side. From here, we're going to go ahead and click on the new funnel. We're going to go ahead and name it main website, name it whatever you like. Go ahead and create. Let's go ahead and do add step. Let's go ahead and name this opt-in. Go ahead and create the funnel. Cool. Once that funnel is created, we're going to go ahead and do edit. Just go ahead and add a column. From here, we're going to go ahead and add a element. We're going to go ahead and search up code from here. Go ahead and grab this code. Once we add the code, we're going to go ahead and click this right here. Allow rows to take the entire width. We want it to be the full screen, right? Once we import everything, we're going to go ahead and check this off. We're going to then mess with the margins real quick. We're going to first do this section right here. Go ahead and go to styles. Go ahead and put 0 it out on everything. From here, we'll go into that next box. Make sure it's zeroed out. And then we're going to use this blue box, zero everything out, including the sides as well. Fantastic. I'm just going to do one more run through. We see that we have another one over here, zero it out. Now that we have GoHighLevel set up, let's go ahead and jump into Replit. Now that we're in Replit, we're going to go ahead and build a simple website that we can upload in GoHighLevel. We're going to prompt it to go ahead and build me a cleaning website. Our prompt, now that's going to be our prompt. Let's go ahead and start that. While this is started, what we're doing is we're going to have it build that website. Once we have that down, we're going to ask it to then give us it an all-in-one file. So the code's going to be all-in-one file. Typically, it's going to give you multiple files because Replit, Lovable, Bolt typically like you to host with them rather than taking that code and putting it to anywhere else. So basically, you could put this anywhere, right? One thing that we also want to do is add a form. So let's go ahead and go back to GoHighLevel. We're going to go ahead and save this. Go ahead and go back. We're going to go to forms. Add a form. Start from scratch. Once they submit this form, we want it to be a lead inside GoHighLevel. So let's go ahead and go here. First name, last name, phone number, email. Let's go ahead and name this one. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. Let's go ahead and check if Replit's ready now. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Good. We can see that it's already built me a website. We can see that this looks amazing. It took about 5 minutes. It looks amazing. We barely gave it any context and it was able to do what we needed it to do. Obviously I would definitely optimize this, give it copy and tailor it to my business, add my logo, my colors, obviously also change who this guy is, but right off the bat we're just going ahead and testing this out. One thing that I want to do, that form that we created earlier, we want to go ahead and implement it into GoHighLevel, right? Once a form is submitted, we want it to go through GoHighLevel system and start that nurturing process. Without this, basically, it's just going to be a website that's imported to GoHighLevel. Let's go ahead and do this. We created that form. Now let's go ahead and do integrate. Go ahead and do inline. We're going to go ahead and copy this embedded code. Go back to Replit. Let's go ahead and prompt it. This looks amazing. On the bottom, you have a form. Let's go ahead and replace that with a GoHighLevel form. This is an embedded code to use. Please verify this is done before letting me know this is completed, right? So that's going to be the very simple prompt. We're going to go ahead and paste that now. Go ahead and send it out. Cool. So after a while, we can see that I already implemented it. We can see that I assume everything's going to go down here. Good. So this is an embedded code from GoHighLevel. So when they submit this, it's going to be a lead. Then we have automations behind that. It's a fully functional website, right? Once they submit that form, again, it becomes how to import this into GoHighLevel side. So we're going to go ahead and view the code. So we're going to go ahead and view the code. We can see this is all the code for the website. Now we want this in a very big document. Let's go ahead and prompt AI to get this done for us. Can you please give me the code in one sheet where I can pretty much just upload this in GoHighLevel? Please confirm this. It has to be the exact thing. No extra files. One long form of right. Very simple prompt. It's then going to give me it's then going to give me the code in one sheet where I can pretty much just copy and paste it onto GoHighLevel. Let's see what it comes out with. While it does that, what we're going to do is build an automation once that form is submitted, and also let me know so I could go ahead and reach out to them. So we're going to go ahead and go back. We're going to go ahead and save this one more time. Get back. We're going to go ahead and go to auto. Let's go ahead and create a workflow. Start from scratch. The trigger is going to be that form submission, which is a Replit. So form submitted. Add filters. Form is Replit website. Then we're going to build an internal thing. So internal notification. Select type, SMS, select user, particular user, myself, new form submission. And then we're going to do, just in case I can't get to them in time, we're going to put a wait step of 2 minutes and send them an automatic text message. It's because we want to go ahead and keep that communication going while they're hot. I'm going to give them a call within that 5-minute period, but we're also going to send this out. We're going to go ahead and do this, contact, first name, and then question mark. Go ahead and save this action. We're also going to do update opportunity to the leads pipeline. Leads pipeline, and then we're going to put them as a hot lead. Anybody that's super interested, and then we're going to do form submission website. So we see that it's here. We can see that it told us what file to use. We see it right here. Let's go ahead and open that. We can see this is the full code, right? That's how you know it's properly done. Let's go ahead and copy this. Go ahead and copy the full thing. Go ahead and copy. Now let's go ahead and jump back into GoHighLevel. We already have the automation built out. We're going to go ahead and go to sites, go to that recent site that we built, main website, go back into here. Go ahead and click this custom code. We're going to go ahead and paste everything, paste it. We're going to go ahead and save it. Now let's save and publish. Select the domain. Now let's go ahead and view it. Good. We can see that everything was properly imported. Let's go ahead and make sure every button works. This takes us down here. Get a free quote should also take us down here. Everything looks amazing. Again, at the end of the day, you want to go ahead and match all this. But this is a fully functional website with inside GoHighLevel. Let's go ahead and submit a form. One thing that we forgot to do, once that form is submitted, where do we want it to go next? No, that's where, what do you want to happen once that form is submitted? We're going to go ahead and do that real quick. What I typically do is I make a simple thank you page, but in this instance, we're going to go ahead and go to submissions. Settings. We're going to appreciate your feedback. We're going to go ahead and turn it to a different thing. Thank you for submitting the form. Thank you for submitting the form. A specialist will be right with you. Right. And then we'll take this out. Right. So once that form is submitted, that's what it's going to happen. But typically I will send them somewhere else to a random number and then a random Javier 123. Let's go ahead and submit it. Again, you would want to change that button. We can see that we put that new message in there. This is going to be one of the best ways to implement, Lovable, Replit, Bolt, whatever you're using to GoHighLevel. I hope y'all liked the video. Please like and subscribe.